Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I got for you this creamy dreamy video which is gonna be the ultimate vanilla perfume tag, and if you're a fan of this note like me, then this is the one for you, because in it I will take you through my collection where we are gonna discover the most beautiful vanilla perfumes. And if you want to find out more about them, make sure to keep on watching. Down below in the description box I'll leave more information for you, so please check it out, give this video a huge thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and go ahead answer some of these questions if you want to share your favorite vanilla fragrances with us and to find out more about mine. Well, let's get started. And the first one on the list is this classic vanilla perfume, which was a no-brainer for me because I decided to go with Shalimar Filtre de Parfum by Guerlain, because this is vanilla that is literally wrapped into elegance. So it's sensual, powdery, a little bit balmy. Think about the classy Shalimar with a vanilla filter on it. It makes me feel like royalty. It is a little bit mysterious, definitely super timeless, and I find that Shalimar is just like a very grown-up type of vanilla fragrance. And now on to the next fragrance. Number 2 is my favorite niche vanilla perfume, and for that I decided to choose Velvet Vanilla by Mancera. That is just such a wow fragrance because it's bold, it's strong, it smells very sensual and luminous to me, just like summertime. It is a little bit sweet but not gourmand, and there are lots of flowers in here too. So it's like a powerful vanilla with a floral twist that smells really sunny, positive, and is also quite long-lasting. And to me, Velvet Vanilla is rather summertime of a fragrance, but I think it's perfect for all year round. Let me know if you're familiar with this fragrance. What do you think about it? Because it's just so happy, positive, like, yeah, really good vibes out of that one. So the quality is there, but you don't need to pay too much to get a beautiful vanilla fragrance. This is my favorite note. I find that you can really twist it in many different ways, and there are lots of beautiful, more affordable vanilla fragrances. So my favorite chippy is definitely Soft by Al Rehab. I mean, like, this is such a beautiful, more fluffy, musky type of vanilla fragrance. It's super smooth with some sparkling citrusy notes, and it is just unbelievably delicious. If you want vanilla on a budget, this is one of the best choices I personally can recommend. And for those who are just starting out with vanilla, the next one is more like beginner appropriate vanilla type of fragrance, and I decided to recommend you Sunny Side Up by Juliette Hazegan, because this is kind of like your second skin but better. It is not overly vanillic, so it's more of a smooth, woody type of vanilla fragrance that sits on the skin in this nice, milky, but not like tonic way. So it's not a gourmand fragrance, and it is extremely sexy without being too much. And I find that it's cozy. It's great for those who are just starting out with this note and you're not ready for something more intense. This is like a very versatile vanilla that you can make your signature scent, and it's never overwhelming. Now, if you're looking for a bolder vanilla that would be great for special occasions, my go-to one is Vanilla Diorama by Dior. Now, this is very luxurious. I mean, it is very glamorous. It is super luxurious smelling. So this is not your simple vanilla because it is loaded with deeper notes. There is beautiful patchouli mixed with some booze to it. So it has more of that spicy gourmand vibe to it, and at the same time it's just pure satisfaction in a bottle. Very, very sophisticated, very fancy. If you have a special occasion, this is definitely that fragrance that will turn heads there. And because it's so warm, deep, intense, I would say it's gonna be a lovely evening type of fragrance if you're going out and you need that oomph, the depth, that voluptuous fragrance. This is like a safe choice for me. And if you are looking for a really unique vanilla because you have a feeling you've tried them all, well, I really want to recommend you this one by the brand Maison Violet. Is called Vanille Riviera. Now, what impressed me about this fragrance so much is actually how contrasting it is. So it's not your typical vanilla perfume at all, because at first it opens very green, which you wouldn't expect from, like a typical vanilla perfume that is rather on the sweet side. So there is a note of galbanum that brings in this green edge. Then there are lots of flowers, and they feel really I would say solar, so you know, like sunny, as they were warmed up by the sunshine. And of course then we have like this green but also creamy type of vanilla. So this is very interesting, twisted, not your typical one, and it kind of blooms on skin. This is the way I can describe it. So with that being said, now let's talk about the compliment getter. And vanilla overall, it's kind of like an aphrodisiac. If you want attention for your perfumes, go for something more on the gourmand side, and vanilla is my favorite note from that category. And the most complimented perfume with vanilla from my collection is hands down Vanille Absolute by Montal. I mean, like, this is a showstopper because this stuff is strong and intoxicating. People always stop me to ask what I'm wearing. This is sweet, almost syrupy, but with like spicy touch to it, vanilla that never fails to impress. So if you want compliments every time, this is the one I personally can recommend you. And the most edible, delicious vanilla in my personal collection that is just like no other is definitely Jenny by SORADORA. Now this is very high quality but also mouth-watering type of delicious yeah, edible type of vanilla that you would wanna eat. But you guys, I mean, like, this literally smells like vanilla custard with a toasted sugar topping. It's gourmand heaven in a bottle. If you love those very bold vanilla perfumes that fill in the room, that turn heads, I mean, like, this is like craving cake every single time. Seriously, you will make people fall for you. It has big sillage, it's warm, it's cozy, it's like fresh apple pie from the oven. Very nice experience, baking, aromatic. I have a discount for that fragrance and I highly recommend you this one if you want something that would be almost edible, like a candy or something deliciously baked, but you don't want like an super realistic experience. You want it like in this beautiful and elegant fragrance. Highly recommend you, Jenny. It's an amazing choice. And for those who want a little bit more of nostalgic vanilla, my gosh, Hypnose by Lancôme always brings back memories. I mean, like, I used to wear it in high school, and anytime I smell it, I'm like, why there are no vanillas like it anymore? It's like floral and magical vanilla for me. It's fairy dust in a bottle, transformative, very satisfying. I would say this is also one of those vanillas that is not that typical, because there's just something very interesting and mysterious, but in a way like you can pinpoint the notes, and it's not like an obvious vanilla either. And with that being said, now I also want to mention another vanilla fragrance, which is a great dupe that is also quite inexpensive, so it won't make you break the bank. And I'm talking about Fantasy Perfumes Club Vanilla Sip Sweet Caramel. That is very beautiful type of cozy, milky, creamy, lactonic type of vanilla that is reminiscent of Italica by Xerjoff, and they're almost the same, but obviously the price difference is there, but not the quality. So if you're looking for that beautiful, milky, a little bit textural type of vanilla with some nuttiness to it that will hug you and yeah, just create like this beautiful, alluring sillage around you, this is a really good one. And it's also pretty strong, but also cozy, comfy, voluptuous. It hugs you in a way, so it's perfect for cuddling too at home, like, oh my gosh. But you can wear it out for sure. And the bonus vanilla is actually the most recent discovery, and for me it's Vanilla Exfoliate that is on my way because I couldn't resist. I just needed to get it because it is really good. And with that being said, that was all for this tag from me. Now I would love to find out about your choices, recommendations for any of these vanilla categories, so go ahead, drop some comments below. I would really like to see Clem's take on this tag, and let me know which creators you would like to recreate this type of video. Go ahead and tag them yourself, and more information you'll find down below, so check out the description box. If you enjoyed watching this video, maybe got inspired to try out some new vanilla perfumes, then please give this one a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Make sure to stay tuned, follow me on my social media, and we'll see each other in the next one really soon. Bye guys.